Blanca. The program is entitled Sensual Belly Dance. But what is sensuality? Sensuality is your enjoyment of the world and your own physicality as perceived by your senses. It is being in the moment. Sensuality is not a special gift or talent. We all have it. When you're being sensual, you don't eat a piece of chocolate because you're hungry. You enjoy it. You don't look at an object to analyze it or criticize it, but just to enjoy it. Similarly, when you are touching something, it's just to enjoy its texture. Sensuality is just a way of perceiving and enjoying things. In this program, we'll work on expressing sensuality and adding a flair of sensual grace and ease to every belly dance movement, from basic to more evolved. We'll work on expanding our movement and transitions vocabulary through my favorite method, progressions. Progressions are gradual layering of arm and hand patterns, head and body angles on footwork for the effect of total control and effortlessness. We'll work on belly dance technique and then perform together sequences of dance steps and combinations in our sensual belly dance flow. You can follow my voice prompts or select the music-only option. We'll work on fluidity, articulation, and connectedness. Connectedness is the wave-like echoing and interweaving of movements coming from total awareness and control of all muscle groups involved in the execution of a movement. It's a key to complex, layered, and organic-looking dance. We'll work on shimmy layering in our shimmy section. We'll work on pacing. Sensual movement is meaningful. We'll make sure that our sensual body language is eloquent, that each sentence has its emphasis. The section dedicated to pacing in the flow is sensual poses. To connect emotionally to every movement in your dance and infuse it with meaning, you can develop a story and build your dance around it. In my program, I will give you an example of dance as storytelling. Belly dance is a journey, a path that will lead you to develop your sensuality and transform your body and mind. It all comes from your sense of being, both as a human and as a dancer. It all comes from knowing that you are a gift to the world and to your audience. It all comes from your sense of enjoyment of your body, your dance, and your life. It all comes down to you loving yourself. And here's where dance stops being a language and becomes the magical wand that transforms us into the sensual, desirable beings that we are, belly dancers.